Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share games in Steam. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead right here and show how it's done properly, right? Family sharing allows family members to share games while keeping their accounts separate. Family and guests can play one another's games while earning their own Steam achievements and saving their own game progress to Steam Club. So, if you want to set up your own family sharing, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the Steam settings and then click Family and make sure that you authorize library sharing on this device, and then requesting access from the owner. Be sure to enable Steam Guard on your Steam account, and then from your library you'll be able to see games owned by other Steam accounts that use the same computer. Select the game and then click Borrow to request access to that respective library. And then requesting access will send the game owner an email with the link to allow you to play the games in their library. The game owner will then need to click the link in the email to authorize your computer and grant your Steam account access to their game. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.